Yeah, gotta take a couple steps and they bring you back far. You can barely see the stars, but it's a matter
Welcome
of
back
time.
everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how I draw Sasuke Uchiha with the Rinnegan. So be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also, be sure to watch this video until the end. Alright, let's draw.
Flashboy.
Alright, and that is it for how I draw Sasuke Uchiha. Don't forget to hit that like button and feel free to leave a comment on who you would like to see me draw in my next video. And be sure to follow me on Instagram to keep up with the voting on who I'll be drawing next. And as always, thanks for watching.
I'ma stack it to the ceilings till we got it for sure. I'm gonna make it to the millions, man, that's all I know.